Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, V.I.P Holdings. I'm Brian, and this is my wife, Christine. Whether you're looking to tackle automotive repairs or home improvement projects, we've got you covered. From practical advice to step-by-step tutorials, we'll help you turn your DIY dreams into reality. Learn how to tackle common automotive repairs like brake replacement, tire changes, and engine maintenance. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can keep your vehicle running smoothly. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or just starting out, we have the knowledge and tools you need to succeed. Now that we've got your wheels turning, let's turn our attention to your living space. From building decks to landscaping your backyard, we'll provide practical advice and inspiration to help you create the perfect home. Join the V.I.P Holdings community and unlock your DIY potential. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.
And I don't know about you, but having my tongue out in one direction or another kind of helps me concentrate.